In this tutorial, we'll pair the thermostatic head with the central unit. Go to the menu. Press the icon until it jumps to the installation menu. Press Create House. To create a room, press the plus sign. Remove the old name and give the room a name, for example, Hall. Confirm by pressing the green check mark. The room has now been created. Return to the previous menu by pressing the arrow key. Then go to RF Initialization. Press Heating. Select the room that has just been created. In this example, Hall. Press the green check mark. Now put the thermostatic head in RF mode. On the thermostatic head, press the check mark until 4 zeros appear. Then press the right arrow key once. It now says RF on the screen. Now press RF Initialization on the central unit. Next, give the thermostatic head a name, for example, Head 1. Confirm by pressing the green check mark. The thermostatic head is now paired with the central unit.